Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm on my iPhone here. You can do the same steps on Android as well. So I'm just going to open up the Spotify app, and if I want to create a new playlist, add songs to it, share it with friends, download, all of that stuff, I'll show you how to do all of it. So once we're on Spotify, at the bottom right here, we're going to tap on Your Library. And then at the very top right, you can see the plus icon. I will tap on that. And it says, give your playlist a name. So I'm just going to say chill, a playlist about chill songs. So you can see here, I've named that playlist. It gives me the ability to add songs. So I'm going to tap add songs, and let's say I just want to add some Bob Marley to this. So I'm going to add a few different Bob Marley songs, and then I will tap the X button at the top left here. So now you can see I've added 4 different Bob Marley songs to this playlist called Chill. So you can see the 3 dots about middle of the screen. I can tap on those, and it gives me the ability to download this playlist. I can tap download if I want to listen to it offline. I can make it private if I want. I can add it to my profile. I can delete it. I can share it with any one of my friends, and I can invite collaborators if I want other people to be able to add to this playlist as well, say different family members and all that stuff. And then of course, just to play this playlist, you can tap on the play button at the top right here, that green play button, and it will play through your playlist that you just made. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.